These are the Varify water hardness test strips. You get 150 test strips in the box. This will just show you what to do and what not to do. So you take the test strip, you put in the water for 2 seconds, wait 15 seconds, and then after the 15 seconds, you compare the color on the end of your test strip to what's on the tube to find out your water hardness level. So I did 4 different ones. I did shower filter water, which our shower has 2 filters on it, so I was very curious to see if they were actually doing what they were saying they were doing. So I put this one in for 2 seconds and I didn't wait the full amount of time, but the result was very interesting. This was my kitchen water, which is just out of the main sink. The next one was the water out of our fridge's filter. So there was that one. And then the last one, I did purified bottled water, just straight out of the bottle, because I wanted to compare and see how different all of them were. And I'm really glad that these were sent to me by Varify for my honest review, because I couldn't believe the results. I really thought it was going to be completely different. So the first one was the shower filter water, which has 2 filters on it, and I thought this was going to be the softest water, and actually it was not. So I might have to get myself some new filters now. So the kitchen water was actually pretty soft, and I was really surprised, and I now need to figure out why my shower water and my kitchen water are so different. The one from the fridge filter was actually really good, so I knew this one was going to be good, so this one I wasn't surprised because it's a really good filter that's in the fridge. And then the last one was the purified water, which honestly I had no idea what it was going to be, but I was pretty surprised that it was so hard and not at all what I thought that one was going to be. So in all, I'm really glad that I got sent these water hardness testers, because I was completely wrong in everything that I